Nhiều pin cho anh kỳ không? Để coi. Cảm ơn em trai. iPhone today. Hey guys, Dan here. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to replace your iPhone 7 Plus battery. It will be the same except the Panda model. In the iPhone XS 11 Pros, they have two battery sockets. So I'm gonna throw away my phone here, and here is the tools they gave me when I purchased this battery. And it's different. This is my professional tools. And I ordered a PCM battery with a new water resistant seal and a new battery strip. They give the PCM battery, they do give me the the strip for the battery, but I don't dislike that. So okay, let's begin. I'm not gonna use my professional tools. I use the Jimmy tools. Stop it. Alright. So, sorry about that. So, I'm gonna turn off the phone. And yes, my phone have battery issue, so I'm gonna replace it. So, yeah. Open the case. Throw my case away. And my tools are in the background. So, I'm gonna open this bag of Jimmy tools. This is the first time using these junk tools. Let's see how good quality is. Okay, that allows screws to take care of it. So, let me see. Just wet it. Yeah, wet it with my spit. Don't do that. They're very gross. Yeah. So yeah, do that before you open the phone. Be sure to take the right screw, unscrew the bottoms, two pentalobe screw, two. God damn it. Okay, there's two pentalobe screw. You need to unscrew them, and be sure to keep track of your screw when you're fixing your phone. I already have a professional toolkit. I'm gonna keep tracking my screw. Wait, that's a screw. That's a bigger screw. There we go. Throw away this. I'm gonna use one of my tool plier. Usually these model have a water resistant seal, because my phone already have water damage, so I don't need the seal anymore. Hold it like this. Hold this. Hold up. It should be a gap. There we go. Tuck it in. So what you do is you hold the phone up like this and stuck your pry pick inside. There should be a gap enough to stick your pick in, and then just work your way around. But be sure. So yeah. But do be careful, because in these iPhone 7 Plus model, the flex cable is already on the other side. That's why they give me two pry pick for some reason. There we go. Nice. There we go. Now, the moment of truth. I never opened these phones before. Just joking. I open these a lot. Boom. Look at that. Beautiful. There's a red thing. Someone had been in here. Fingerprint. Someone had been in here. Just joking on me. Right. So what you're gonna do is still keep tracking your screw by opening two yeah, keep trying my screw. Alright, so the main mission here is open this open that, remove the screen, remove the seal, remove the battery, replace it with another one. So I'm gonna switch to the tri-wing because iPhone 7 Plus use tri-wing. Since forward, there's some part they use for the pad. Oh wow, these screws are very terrible. Super terrible. Keep changing the screw in the background. Oh shit. Yeah, let's go. I lost that screw. Okay, doesn't matter. Second screw. Do remember, keep track of your screw. For that. And then do remember, keep track of your screw. If you messed up one, your phone's done. So remove the metal shield. I should recover the battery. I dropped it inside. No wait, no, it's on the seal. Nice. So yeah, that. Throw the case away just for some reason. Okay, unscrew the top. I'm not gonna use my tools. Use the Jimmy one. Heard the Jimmy tools are pretty bad, but these are pretty good. So back in the day, I don't have a professional screw kit. I have to use these Jimmy tools. I don't know what it's called junk tools. Or somebody calls it junk, but actually it isn't that junk at all. So keep track of your screw. Remove the plate or the top assembly. And now we use the pry pick. Gonna use this one then. These connect out battery. Because I don't have fingernails, I just cut them last week. So very. Okay, remove that. And remove that display. Yeah, these are junk. Seriously. You know what? There we go. It's better using fingernails. Yeah, this is junk. Because it's gonna. There we go. Carefully set the display on the side. Now here's the fun part. Remove the battery strip. Some people said you have to remove the top of the engine. I already done with that, but sometimes it didn't want to work. So I'm gonna remove the seal gently. Here we go. You have to do it like that. Throw my junk tools away. Doing like that. Make sure to keep the battery strip flat because you don't want these guys rip. All of them will rip, you're done. Use a goner. Use the shaking technique to let the battery strip come out. There we go. Had to hold the. Oh. Yeah, that's it. I thought they snapped after pulling the glue. Oh shoot. No, don't make me try that. There we go. Please. There we go. Phew. There we go. There we go. Now I feel better. Oh, it feels satisfying. Yep. These guys are very long. Seriously. Oh, shh. Please, please, please. Don't rip. Where's my cloth? Oh, shh. Well, you guys know the drill. To pry up shame. I cannot get the thing to pry up. I don't want to. Shh. Yeah, I'm gonna remove the pry of shame. If you're doing the pry, make sure be careful. You might pry directly to the motherboard. Just checking. And do something really wrong. You just gotta be sure to do it gently. Yeah, these tools are seriously trash. They are seriously trash. And the battery script. Please fry up. I want to get the battery blow it on me. If it blow on me, that would be really fun. Oh, they got some seal. No. Okay, I have to fry out this battery. Yep. Please don't explode. Please don't explode. Yes, battery is a goner. Hope don't blow it up me. Hope don't blow it up me. Hope it doesn't blow up me. Oh. Yep, look at that. Still sealing that thing. Hope it didn't blow up me. Hope it didn't blow up me. Hope it didn't blow up me. Yep. Like that. Crushing the damn battery. Crushing the damn battery. Fuck this shit. This battery is a corner. It is a corner. Tap the engine to find though. Oh wow. Okay, I think I ripped this battery off. Strip is too strong. Oh wow, look at that. Oh what? Just frying half of it? Look at this. This is the reason why it's better. I'm scared. Explode up me. Getting the seals off. I want to use metal anymore. So I want to use plastic. Okay, it needs alcohol. But I don't have any alcohol. I already just drink them. All my tools usually broken. I use this one then. There we go. Please don't explode. I'm not gonna keep this battery inside my house. It's not safe. Hit my two. Oh shh. Okay, these two are goner. I'm gonna use my pry pick. Look at that. Okay. Oh shh. Recycling. Yes. Scares bro because look at the battery swallow. Oh shit. This is why my guitar pick up better, even though I play guitar. There we go. Okay, and AH. Oh shit. You gotta be kidding me. I have to riff this very off. I want to get it explode. Whoa. Still have charged it. So I'm pretty scared that exploded on me. So okay. So trying to get this strip. Trying to get one of the strip. Okay, one of the strip. Oh shh. Oh, these guys are really difficult to unpack it. There we go. Yeah, there's more. There we go. Oh shh! Don't go back, please. There we go. There we go. Bruh. Shouldn't done this since yesterday. You kidding me? How the F am I getting this out? Look at that. I just tuck it back in. Battery still have charge. So I'm pretty scared to pry it and make it explode. So trying to do it gently as possible. I want these guys explodes on my hand. If so, I will have no two hands. Become a thing. Okay, this strip. Yep. This is how not to replace your battery video. There we go. Oh yeah, it should go like this. Son of the. There you go. Yeah, I'm gonna go hit some alcohol. Gotta take my assistant. Told her to, or him, to get me alcohol. Look at that. I'm scared the battery gonna blow up on me. Luckily, I have 2 of these iPhone in the house. What the I couldn't get alcohol. Mấy cái con đó mà không phải mấy cái con này nha. Okay, back with my alcohol. So, usually I would go set the battery just a bit. Yeah. Oh no. We dim. There we go. Make repair more easy. Okay, rip the barriers open. Yeah. Look at that. Phone dry just a bit. Sợ đỏ chứ nè. Đỏ nổi tím hình mệt. Này khô nè. Đỏ nào có miếng bị tím như này trên men hay mệt nè. Đủ mệt lắm nè.
Phơi nó chút xíu đi. Phơi cho nó khô chút đi.
Bỏ đi.
Phơi cho nó khô để nó ướt nó dụ nó chết cái men.
Hỏi. hỏi không sao cô mà. Sao cô?
Trời ơi, nó chết cái men đã nói.
Không sao đâu. We'll be fine. Không sao đâu.
Không sao quý vị, nó ngồi nó chết men đó.
Không sao đâu. Look at that. Oh man, this is gonna be fun. Move all this adhesive. Look at that. Done a lot of job on that battery. Even the strip. Come on. What did you want it? Get the F out of my phone. I should go like that. Fuck. Never do your own DIY project. I am pissed right now. But this battery adhesive is so strong. There we go. Took me a while. Get all free off. Okay, throw this junk away. Clean the table.
Em cái phơi cái men nó chút xíu đi.
Tự nhiên. Be my guess. Back for the tools. The battery. Look at that. Okay, here's the battery order. Gonna prep. Here it is. They do give me pull tab, but they don't give me this for some reason. And I ordered white, not black. But oh well. $2,900 yen. Look at that. That's a beauty. Fresh battery. The factory at Pisan in China. I do remember if they do give you some pull tab, but these two stick at one here, and two in case the wireless charging, but I use wireless charging, and I'm gonna keep these pull tab. I'm not gonna use it, but I'm gonna keep it. Use these long one. So, oh my god, you gotta be fucking kidding me. Muốn nói chuyện điện thoại ra tuốt ngoài kia. He is making video here. Right. So remove the blue part. Install the battery like this. And then I remove the blue part. There we go. So I'm gonna remove the blue part and stick it up like this. There we go. Oh, I stick it too low. Oh well. Gotta wait for my phone to dry up alcohol. It's my stupid dad thing that alcohol has damaged the thing. Why I used a different seal? Yeah, I messed up on the other one. That's why. So when you install the battery, you remove the purple part. So align, mostly professional. Align that. I prep. There we go. So you remove the purple part and then place the battery in. And then next you're going to do is remove the water resistant seal. The seals are pretty good too. Guess we can dust. Hey guys, it's me, Future Dancer. While I'm doing my battery replacement video, I forgot to do something that's very critical to my iPhone, which means I when I have to tell you using my old phone. Like when I edit, when I doing the battery replacement, I add the waterproofing seal around the screen, but I forgot to press the blue seal onto this side of the screen. So when I pull the blue seal, which means the glue stuck on between the screen, the gasket stuck between the screen and the housing will go with it. You will see what I mean when you do this. When I just roll the video. So continue the video. Oh yeah, before I do that, be sure to like, share, and subscribe my channel to support me to get a new laptop for a longer video like this one. See ya. They sent me the wrong one. Let me check. They sent me the wrong one. I ordered. Oh shit. Don't. I think they sent me the wrong one. Oh wait. Yeah, they sent me the right one. Sometimes I thought some shop sent me the wrong one. So remove it. Seal. Be careful not to lost the screw. So this inside the video after every single time. Right. After you've done this step, make sure to take a random screw head, just pressing everything down to make sure it sticks to the side. This is my first time I'm doing the black inside white. Gonna use my fingers. No, don't stick to the motherboard. There we go. I will stick and then remove the blue part. Yeah. There we go. Remove the blue film. There we go. Then still removing the battery and make sure to connect and damage the motherboard. And then I told you to get the fuck out. Nó muốn nói chuyện điện thoại đi ra chút ngoài kia mà đuổi rồi mà. Sheesh. Stupid. Oh yeah, I know how to speak some Vietnamese now. Oh, for saying, get the heck out of my house, please. That's why you don't make a effing battery script. I always tell people, actually, you're wrong. Well, hope everything work before you do anything else. You know what? These tools are junk. I use mine. Mine's are better. Mine's are better than theirs. Mine's are better than theirs. See? It's better. It's not short, not small. But sometimes these metal clip damage the thing, the ribbon cable, so be careful. After installing the seal, lucky I buy send me the new version of the seal, which they have these things to pull when you're done doing this. Yeah, I can't break this phone. It's not good. Make sure the batteries are connected. I do want to get the high capacity version, but they are out. Đã nói rồi, lần sau nói chuyện điện thoại thì ra tuốt ngoài chỗ cô Di ra, chỗ nó trắng ra. Next time I'm doing my video inside my room, locking it. Lock me inside the room, making stupid YouTube video. No, technically not stupid, it's my job. Fixing phones. And also I'm learning how to code. Start learning how to code. I learned a lot, but sometimes I forgot some of them, but not most of them. So I'm making games. Be sure to wait for my games on Steam. And maybe I'm not gonna publish my game. There we go. After done, turn on the phone. Now I have to wait for the. There we go. So after done doing this, gonna heat the battery, the water resistant seal script. Gonna heat it. Then you first holding these seals of feels so relaxing. There you go. That's one half, and the other half was gonna be so difficult because there's a screen. No, don't touch, please. Gosh. Sometimes they don't want to stick into the thing. And clean the phone well. There we go. Mostly DC has a problem in the corners. Oh shoot, they pulled fucking stop. No. Oh, that's unfortunate. On the phone we have water resistant now because upgrade. Yeah, these seals are a lot of trouble lately. Oh, because I don't clean well. You know what? There you go. Happy now, phone. Let's just stick it in. There we go. Our phone will not be water resistant anymore. That's a be stupid seal. Don't want it sticking. I'm scared of dropping the phone. And all we do, get that crunch. Crunch again. Oh, this phone don't crunch. I'm gonna call the shop via AliExpress return. Send me a new water resistant seal. This seal to keep me out of trash. So I cannot test the water resistant feature. because the air go through, had to be air insulated. One chance and you blow it up, then great. Oh, Yui. Did I damage the screen? Oh, great.